Welcome to PC Gaming Tech Summary. I'm your host Gamer, and today we go over Intel 12th generation motherboards and new 12-volt power supply units, PSUs. Yes, there is a move to change PC power supplies and motherboards to make them more power efficient when idling. Certain government bodies are pushing for this due to a shortage of electricity and a shortage of water to make electricity. This will mainly impact businesses such as OEMs that make PCs. What's an OEM? Well, it's an original equipment manufacturer, an organization that makes devices from component parts bought from other organizations. And in the future, you will see PSUs named ATX12V only and abbreviated ATX12VO. The size of the PSUs will probably stay the same, but motherboards will need to have more room for the voltage conversion. I'll show you an example of that. And if we have time, I'll go over a few more of the power toys, the Microsoft free software. All right, let's get right into it. Asrock has created a motherboard that is 12-volt only, single rail power design, the Z490 FSR. And if you compare two of their motherboards, you'll see the one on the left has got the 24-pin connector. The one on the right has got the 10-pin 12-volt connector. And they need a lot more room on the right side of the board to put all the power conversion. Corsair has come out with an adapter. You can connect a Corsair fully modular power supply, standard ATX power supply, using this adapter to a 12-volt only motherboard. This adapter will expand your Corsair modular power supply's compatibility for use with 12-volt only motherboards. Convert a Corsair 18 plus 10-pin connector to a 10-pin ATX12VO with an inline circuit for guaranteed ATX12VO motherboard compatibility. Now we come to Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake rumored motherboard release dates. So the Z690 comes out in 2021, quarter 4. All right, so that will go along with the release of the new 12th gen CPUs from Intel. Hopefully by Black Friday. There'll be an announcement on October 25th. So we'll just have to wait and see. And so in the future, next year, at the beginning of next year, they're going to come out with some of their less expensive motherboards, the B660, H610. And then at the end of 2022 or towards the third quarter, the fancy Z790. And who knows what will be on there. We'll just have to wait and see. Power Toys, Microsoft Power Toys, the free software add-on, which helps bring a few of the Windows 11 features into Windows 10. So this is on GitHub. I will put a link in the description below. So this is Microsoft Power Toys. We've gone over several of the features in the past. And we will go over Keyboard Manager. To launch Power Toys, you go to your system tray. It's the little TV set, just click on that. Okay, we're going to look at Keyboard Manager. All right, and so basically you can remap keys. So you can change A to B or Okay, can change it to B, for instance. Okay, so you can do different changes there. The PowerToys Keyboard Manager enables you to redefine keys on your keyboard. You can also exchange shortcut key combinations. Okay. PowerToys Keyboard Manager must be enabled with PowerToys running in the background for remap keys and shortcuts to be applied. If PowerToys is not running, key remapping will no longer be applied. There are some shortcut keys that are reserved for the operating system and cannot be replaced. Keys that cannot be remapped include Windows plus L, Control Alt Delete, Function. Okay. All right, so that's just the introduction there to the Keyboard Manager. Let's move on to Power Rename. Okay, this has to do with renaming files and renaming a bunch of them. So if we go over here, Power Rename is a bulk renaming tool that enables you to modify the file names of large numbers of files. Perform a search and replace on a targeted section of file names. Perform a regular expression rename on multiple files. Check expected rename results in a preview window before finalizing a bulk rename. Undo a rename operation after it is completed. All right. So here's a demo. In this demo, all instances of the file name Pamplona are replaced with Pamplona. Since all of these files are uniquely named, this would have taken a long time to complete manually one by one. Power Rename enables a single bulk rename. Notice that the undo rename Control-Z command enables the ability to undo the change. Power Rename. Power Rename. So right click. Okay, and from there you can do it. All right. Next, PowerToys Run. Okay, Alt plus space is the shortcut. And let's find out what that is. PowerToys Run is a quick launcher for power users that contains some additional features without sacrificing performance. It is open source and modular for additional plugins. Okay. You can search for application folders or files, search for running processes, clickable buttons with keyboard shortcuts, such as Open as Administrator or Open Containing Folder. Do a simple calculation using calculator. Okay, and the shortcut guide, which is, I'll show you that one. Press Window keys, Shift and /, and you get the shortcut guide. So if you want to open search, you press the window key and S. And there you have it. So you can type in your search there. All right, so that's Power Toys for the day. Thanks for joining us here on PC Gaming Tech Summary. And don't forget, you'll be seeing me in the next video.
No.